Okay, if you want to build and launch an app or a website in 2 hours with no coding experience, this is exactly how you do it. So the first thing you're gonna do is come up with a good idea. Doesn't even have to be a good idea, just have an idea. Go over to ChatGPT, ask it to make you a PRD of that app or website. It will spit out a bunch of requirements, functions, features, etc. You can negotiate with it, kind of tell it exactly what you want. Next thing you're gonna do is go to bolt.new. You're gonna take this PRD that you created with ChatGPT, put all that text in there, hit enter, sit back, relax, watch it work. It's gonna spit out a version of that. Whatever you described, it's gonna create that. It'll have some missing things. You could just use natural language text to prompt it to make changes. While it's in bolt.new, I recommend this is when you can do any theme edits, take screenshots of products you like, or vibes, aesthetics that you enjoy, put it in there, say, make it look more like this. Very simple. From here, you can buy a domain, use Squarespace domain, GoDaddy, doesn't matter. Don't spend more than $12, $20 on a domain. It's not worth it, especially in the beginning. Just get a simple domain, hook it up. If you know how to do that, just use AI, learn how to hook it up. And you could be done here. You could literally be done and launch from here. If you want to go one step further, you're going to export the code, because what happens with Bolt is it kind of gets stuck a little bit. Like you can't build like a full feature, really deep application. If you have really deep features that you want to do, you might be getting bugs. So I recommend exporting the code, downloading something called Cursor. Cursor, you can find that online, download it. I think it's like 20 bucks a month. They might even have a free version. Download Cursor, open up the file that you exported from bolt.new, then just like talk to it. It's the same thing where you just kind of like text type to it and just be like, hey, can you like make sure this is all set up and running and chill, whatever. And then you're going to interact with it the same way that you're interacting with bolt.new. Very simple. It's like the level above Bolt, with comfortability. If you really get stuck with Cursor, you're going to use HTML to design. You're going to screenshot the page and you're going to export that into Figma, make the edits in Figma, and then come back. Totally not necessary, but if you're a design like perfectionist, you can always do it that way. Just take screenshots of it and say, make it look exactly like this. You don't have to do any of that. You can literally just use Bolt and Cursor, not worry about it. Now from there, once you have the domain hooked up, everything is looking good, you're gonna make a TikTok like this. I don't have any graphics in this video. I didn't invest $1,000 into a launch video. You can make a TikTok just explaining exactly, what the website does and asking if anyone wants to use it. Make sure that on your page, your TikTok page, you have a URL to the website. So if people click you, goes to the URL, blah, blah, blah. In 2 hours, you could probably do it even faster. I've been talking for 3 minutes. You probably could have launched the application by now. You could launch that dream idea, the first version of it. Don't make it such a unachievable thing, like it has to be perfect version 1. Just get out there, start creating, continue improving, and everything will work out. Thanks so much. Good luck and have fun.